Hello my beautiful souls, welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito, maaaring mag-resonate, maaaring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaaring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. So we have here the King of Cups and the Nine of Pentacles, Page of Cups and the Page of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords and the Death card, Five of Wands and the Queen of Cups. So we have here the Water couple, King and Queen of Cups. Okay, so may strong water signs tayo dyan, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And bottom card natin is Temperance. And, okay, strong Sagittarius din sa ating Temperance energy. So, tingnan natin, mukhang you're waiting for this to happen. Okay, tingnan natin. Pero, kahit na hinihintay mo to, nagpapaka-busy ka, and hindi lang yung taong hinihintay mo ang mag-o-offer sa'yo ngayon. Maaring dalawang tao din itong mag-offer sa'yo ng kung ano man tong gusto niyang i-offer. Maaring isa ang tagal ng energy with the snail. Pero, contradicting energy yan with the Knight of Swords natin. So, may magmamadali. May magmamadali na dito to make a move. Kasi maaaring dalawang tao ito eh. With this Page of Cups and the Page of Pentacles natin. Ayan o. Kailangan nang gumawa ng move. Naubusan na ng oras. Kailangan nang magdesisyon. Ayan. Magnifying Glass, Mountain card, and the Bird. Bottom card, Telephone. Ayan. So talagang after ng talagang after ng Mercury retrograde, talagang nagkukumahog itong taong ito na tumawag sa'yo. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. Anong message ng Archangel? So, mukha talagang kung aware siya sa Mercury retrograde, talagang hinintay niya matapos. Talagang this person is patiently waiting na matapos ang Mercury retrograde bago siya magparamdam, mag-reach out sa'yo. Okay, so we have here Sensitivity by Archangel Haniel. You are extra sensitive to energies and emotions right now. Honor yourself and your feelings. Okay. So, maaaring nararamdaman mo na to eh. Mukhang hinihintay mo talaga siya or pakiramdaman kayo kung may magpaparamdam ba sa inyo. Pero wala. So, mukhang after talaga, hinintay nyo lang talaga matapos, no? Atong Mercury retrograde bago kayo gumawa ng move. Pero at the same time, may makikisabay. May new person, maaring isa pang person to, no? With this, kasi with the Page of Cups and Page of Pentacles natin. Hindi lang yung taong hinihintay mo ang lalapit sa'yo this time. So we have here, I want to grow old with you. I want to see you this weekend. So, ayan, nagpaplano na talaga. May mga nagpaplano na to see you para mag-reach out or lumapit sa'yo kung ito yung new person. Okay, so ikaw kasi ang focus mo ngayon is your goals. With this Mountain card, Nine of Pentacles, and parang ano ka ngayon eh. You are, parang go with the flow ka lang, kung ano na lang yung mangyari sa ngayon. Although searching ka din for maring new love, pero itong hinihintay mong tao ay talagang, mukhang nakapag-heal ka na eh, from the past, mga trauma or itong mga heartaches. Mukhang okay na yung puso mo ngayon, ready ka na tumanggap ulit ng new love, and itong taong hinihintay mo na rin as well is talagang nakapag-decide na siya na gumawa ng move ngayon. Okay, so you're my destiny. So, mukhang naniniwala siya na destined to be kayo. I'm addicted to you. Proud of you. Husband-wife material. Tired and need rest. And this is not over yet. So, malinaw na talagang hindi pa kayo tapos nitong taong yon. And you're my rest and my healer. So, may something din sa inyo na talagang very spiritual or spiritually connected kayo and divinely guided itong connection na meron kayo nitong taong to. So, tingnan pa natin more messages sa ating The Hidden Truth Oracle cards. So, may mga sagot ka ng malalaman ngayon. May mga, kung you are searching for answers sa mga questions mo in your mind, masasagot na yan ngayon. So, tingnan natin more messages. I remember every detail of that day. We will be together again. And you don't know how hard it was to let you go. So, siguro may mga hindi pa lang din talaga tugma, kaya hindi nagtugma yung dati with this 5 of Wands natin. And I wish I could share my good news with you. I feel you even though we are apart. I'm afraid to contact you. So, siguro yun na nga din, natatakot siya na kontakin ka, lalo na nitong Mercury retrograde. You speak to me through music and I bury myself in work to forget you. So, talagang mukhang I regret lying to you, bottom card. So, kasi parehas kayo nagpakasubsob na lang kayo sa work to forget everything, pero kahit anong gawin nyo, hindi talaga nag-work out yung pag-move on. So, talagang maring you are secretly waiting for this person. Although, naka-move on ka na naman, pero still, siya pa rin yung hinahanap-hanap mo or parehas kayo na naka-move on naman na. And still, hindi nyo pa rin nakalimutan ang isa't isa kahit pa siguro ang tagal nyo na rin na in separation, no contact, and in separation. So, yung mga initials natin, letter E, K, F, C, P, M, S, U, Q, D, G ang bottom card. So, let's see, kuha tayo ng blue card natin. We have here, no strings attached, soulmate, and acceptance. So, itong dalawang taong ito, maaaring isa sa kanila is your soulmate at isa sa kanila ay wala talaga kayong connection. Or yung isa is yung naka-attach sa'yo or with the red strings of fate na tinatawag. And yung isa is maaaring panggulo lang. Ayan. So, it's up to you kung paano mo nakikilatisin kung sino sa kanila yung dapat mong piliin this time, no? Kasi ayan na, pinapakita naman na sa'yo yung mga signs, lalo na at ramdam mo yan, okay? And let's see sa ating general signs and messages, keywords na lang ito. Okay, we have here gorgeous and need more signs. So, kailangan natin ng maraming signs dito, no? So, we also have here mirror, maring mirroring kayo mirrored souls. Ayan. So, kaya kung ano yung nararamdaman ng isa, ganun din nararamdaman mo. Parehas kayo ng nararamdaman. And let's see more. We have here ex-lover, city, rainy season, fantastic friend. Okay. So, may mga friends din kayo na pwedeng tumulong or may mga friends din sa inyo na maaaring naging cause pa ng more problems in the past. No, may mga nakisulsol, may mga nakisawsaw, may mga nanggulo or sumira, 'di ba? Pero may mga friends din naman na maaaring nakatulong pa sa inyo to work this out para maayos. We also have here number 8, Luzon, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, sweet, and another soulmate card. We have here January, May, March, and animal lover. Kind-hearted, Leo sign, sarcastic, this April. Food lover, sexy body, eye contact. Sword is another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and attractive. So, kuha pa tayo isa. Scorpio, strong. Scorpio placement. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.